Welcome to a new video of creative clothing R&S. In this opportunity, we are going to make a One Piece reversible swimsuit. In my case, I'm going to make it with the same piece of fabric. The pattern is composed by a piece for the front and back part. Here, I have 2 pieces in fabric and 2 more pieces on the side, facing right sides together. We're going to start closing neckline, armholes, and center hole. Here I'll start sewing necklines and armholes. I'm going to fix it with pins. Let's start. This is how it looks. The center hole, neckline, and armholes. Now we're going to do the same with the other 2 pieces. Okay, here I have the pieces, and we're going to turn around one side. This is how it looks. We're going to leave the other piece just as we saw it. That means we already have right-sized face together. So what we'll do now is hide shoulder seams. So I'm going to take the piece I haven't torn and leave it down here. And I'll put the one I turned above. Now, I'm going to introduce these pieces in between the pieces I haven't turned. We're going to do it through the long side. I'm going to start with this shoulder piece. As you can see, it's the same piece, but one of them is turned. I'll introduce it. And use this turning needle. When it reaches the end, we're going to order pieces. And fix them with pins. Now I have one of the shoulders ready, and I'll do the other one. we'll introduce the thinner one in the long side. And now we'll make the same with the thicker side. Just like this. Now we're going to sew all our shoulder pieces. The 3 pieces with straight or overlock stitching. Once we did it, let's pull. And this is how it looks. So the neckline armholes are ready. Now we already sew the shoulders, we are going to close this upper side. For this, we'll take the sides in this way and pin the layers of fabric. Let's put it over the table. Take the long side and turn this upper part. And introduce the other this way. Order wall pieces using pins. Put one pin in the center and sew with straight or overlock stitching. Ready. Now I'll pull. And this is the result. Now let's accommodate again the swimsuit. To see how it's going. We already joined shoulders and one side. We have left our long side and the bottom side. But first, let's close the crotch. Let's join. We'll join first internal ones. just the way they are, and put a pin. Now the external ones will face right sides together, this way. Secure with a pin. Ready. Now let's accommodate the swimsuit to face the seams I just made. Okay, now let's make the leg part. For that, we'll take the swimsuit and face right sides, this way. Face the ends. I'll put the rest of the swimsuit between these pieces. And secure with pins. Now I'm going to the ends and fix with pins. As you can see, all our swimsuit must be on the inside. Now, let's seam around the legs, leaving a little hole in one of them, about 1.5 inches. I already made the seams and left the hole. We'll use it at the end. Let's turn the pieces through the open sides we have and bring them over. First, let's close the long side, just as we did with the upper part, and secure with pins. Now, with one of the upper parts of the lower side, I'll pull and turn it until the long side. Pull the swimsuit this way. Now, accommodate the ends to match the seams. And secure both pins. like this and accommodate the center and the layers of fabric. Fix with pins. Now we'll close with overlock stitching. Ready. Now I'll turn and pull the swimsuit. We just have left our lower side like we did previously. Let's put a pin so we don't get confused. And taking the hole we left before, let's turn it inside out. Accommodate the ends to match the seams and sew. Now we made the seam. Let's pull. And close the hole with straight stitch. Ready. Our One Piece reversible swimsuit is now ready. In the description, you'll find a link to contact us and get the patterns of the fashion swimsuit. If you are new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe to Creative Clothing R&S. Bye!